Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of human heart. The heart is a muscular organ which is about the size of a approximately equal to one fist. Fist mean muthi. Its average weight is about 300 gram in males and 250 gram in females. It is reddish brown in color and conical shape. Broader end towards upper sides and pointed ends towards lower sides. It located in the thoracic cavity present between two lungs. Cavity means empty space that present between two lungs. It is enclosed in two tough layer is known as pericardium layer. The space between two pericardium layer is known as pericardial cavity and it filled with pericardial fluid. The function of pericardial fluid, it keep the heart moist to free movement and reduce the friction between the heart wall. And pericardial fluid protect the heart from any kind of mechanical injury. It consists of four chambers: left auricle, right auricle, upper chamber auricle and lower chamber ventricle. Left ventricle, right ventricle. Upper two chamber is known as collecting chamber because it collect blood. Left auricle collect the blood from lungs and right auricle collect the blood from all body parts except lungs. Lower chamber is known as distributing chamber because it distribute blood. Left ventricle distribute blood to all body parts except lung and right ventricle distribute blood to lungs except all body parts. The septum present between the left auricle and right auricle. Septum means wall, partition, separation is known as interatrium septum. Interauricle septum present here between the two auricles. The septum present between two ventricles is known as interventricular septum. It separates the two chamber. It separates the two ventricle chamber. The wall of ventricle is thicker than auricle because ventricles supply the blood to all body parts. That's the reason the wall of ventricle is always thicker than auricles. Now, valves that present between the left auricle and left ventricle is known as bicuspid valves here. Bicuspid valves, and the valves that present between the right auricle and right ventricle is known as tricuspid valves. It prevents the backward flow of blood. Now, the valves that present between the ventricle and blood vessels, right ventricle and pulmonary artery is known as semilunar valve. Here semilunar valve is present, same. The valves that present between the left ventricle and aorta is also known as semilunar valves. These valves allow the flow of blood only in one direction from the auricle to ventricle and from the ventricle to blood vessels. It prevents the blood to backward flow. In next lecture, we will discuss about the double circulation function of the human heart.